beauties, welcome back. Okay, again, my window is open. There's some construction going on outside, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from doing what I need to do first and foremost. And then my family's watching The Grinch downstairs, so if you hear some vibration, it's the movie. Gotta do what I gotta do, right? I'm back, let's do this. Today is BoxyCharm day. I know I'm late, but I'm always gonna bring it to you regardless. So I'm gonna unbox November with you guys, and I should be getting December box soon. As soon as I get that, even if I'm tired, I'm just gonna do the unboxing, load it up for you guys and put it out. A lip combination today is Amina lip liner by Morphe, literally my favorite lip liners ever. And then this was the mystery color, maybe like last year I think, from the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. That's the lip combo that I've got going on here. I'm still burning raspberry mimosa. It's almost done. It is literally like at the bottom, like it's been burning for a while, so hopefully it'll be done today. If this is your first time here and you enjoy BoxyCharm, if you receive BoxyCharm and you like watching videos like this, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up so I can continue to do them for you guys. If this is your first time watching one of my BoxyCharm videos, how we like to do it here is I talk about a product that I gravitated towards a lot from my last month's box, and then I get into this month's box. So the one item that I sort of already knew that I was going to gravitate towards a lot from my October box was the Kinder Beauty lip mask. And you guys, I already have an indent in it. That's how much I've been using it. It is so good. It does not have a scent to it. It doesn't have a nasty aftertaste. I usually use it at nighttime right before I go to bed, because usually that's how you supposed to use lip mask. And when I wake up in the morning, I do not have a cracked, dried mouth or lip. Like, it is just amazing. The formula is amazing. Literally leaves my lips so smooth and so hydrated. I'm very grateful. Like, I really like this product. I think this product runs for $20. I'm not sure. Or not sure, I forgot, let's be real. I think it's $20 or $22, but it does come in a little glass component. This is glass. But yeah, I totally gravitated towards this and I've been using it ever since. So this is my product from October. Let's get into November's box. So got my box, and November's theme was invite only. So my total value of this box for November was $170. As always, I will always leave all the information and prices on the bottom of my screen for each product that I talk about. So yes, invite only. And let's get into the first one. Okay, I had to shut the window. It was just too much, you guys. Let's get into it. So the first item that I got for the month of November is the Violet Voss Sunset Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. Get your daily dose of magic hour with the Violet Sunset Palette, a color story inspired by the magical colors of the sunset. Your eyes are sure to be the main attraction. It provides iconic everyday warm neutrals and complementary pops of color to achieve all the looks you desire and more. Experience Violet Voss' addicting formula in the perfect mix of mattes, shimmers, and metallics. Always pigmented and extremely blendable. So this runs for $37. The box is exactly the same. It's super pretty. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I have plenty of colors like this in my collection, so it is untouched. This still has the film on it. I'm probably gonna gift it because I don't need it, and I don't want to, again, like, just hoard stuff that I know I'm not gonna use. So this could possibly be a Christmas gift for someone. That is the first thing that I got. Something I did forget to mention though, I just got an email from BoxyCharm yesterday or the day before, and the price is going up another $1, but they literally explain to you all the reasons why they're going up $1, and I'm still gonna ride with them. It's still super affordable. It's gonna be $27.99 starting in January for us existing BoxyCharmers already. If you do not have BoxyCharm and you want to try BoxyCharm out, first timers will be locked in for $25 a month. I'm not sure if that's going to change by the end of 2022, and it's just for the first 12 months, but you might want to look into it because it's still super affordable and it's so still worth it. And you don't only get the box, you guys, you get all of these amazing deals online with your account as a charmer when they do pop-up, when they do Boxy Lux, and they have new other things popping up on the site, like super affordable. Like I got a Fight Pretty Young Thing flat iron that's $300 for $29.99. Perfect example there. You can save so much money with BoxyCharm, I'm just saying. So it's gonna go up $1. I don't mind. I'm still gonna stick with BoxyCharm because I still believe that it's super worth it and it's still super affordable, and I save so much money by getting BoxyCharm. Second item in my box is Luxy por la Noche. This runs for $40. We have 3 brushes here. I really do love Luxy brushes, but the fact that it's $40 for only 3 of them is a little pricey. But again, this is why I get BoxyCharm. I spend $26 a month on it, and I'm getting $40, you know, valued brushes. And Luxy brushes are very, very good, you guys. I use them all the time. I have a bunch of them in my collection. You cannot go wrong with Luxy brushes. So if you want to get good stuff like this, I recommend, highly recommend, just joining BoxyCharm. Blend, shade, and define your look to perfection with the starter brush set. This set covers all the essential brushes that you need when you travel and includes a festive zip pouch for storage. I haven't even unlocked this, you guys, but yeah. And then it has like a hotel kind of scenery, looks like Miami type of vibe in the back, and it's got your Luxy 514 blush brush, a Luxy 211 concealer brush, and a Luxy 207 medium angled brush. So you can do quite a bit with these. These are cool. I can always use brushes. I do use a certain few every time I do my makeup because they're just like my go-to brushes. But I need to freaking wash my brushes, you guys. Like seriously, I just cleaned my sponges the other day, and I do have a lot of brushes, so I don't mind just adding some. I can always use brushes, so I'm definitely gonna keep those. The next thing that I got is the Gloasis Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. This one's for $34. This shit is super duper heavy. It is a new brand to BoxyCharm. Give thirsty skin a drink of milk dew, sorry. Mildew, that would be really, really bad. But it says this toner meets moisturizer features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and Sika extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. It's the perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. With its pH balancing formula, this vegan toner improves the skin's texture and tone. It also helps to remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. I'll be honest with you guys, I've never used a toner before. That's pretty self-explanatory on how you use it and what it's for. This is what it looks like. It is glass. This is heavy, and this comes with how many ounces? Does it say how many ounces? This is 4.05 fluid ounces. It is dermatologist tested, and it is vegan, clean, effective. It has vegan probiotics. I've never heard of this brand before. Maybe this will be the first time that I'm gonna try a toner, but I literally would have to figure out how to use a toner. I'm sure it's not, but I need to figure out when do you use it? Before, when you go to bed, before makeup, after a shower. I need to figure this out. So I might use a toner for the first time because I'm intrigued, and this does not look bad. Maybe it'll even out some of my skin tone darkness and stuff like that. But yeah, so again, $34. That's the third thing that I got in my box. On the fence about that one. The next one that I got is the Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleaner or Cleanser. I can always use stuff like this, so this is cool. This is 4 ounces, and this one's for $19. It's a quick and easy way to cleanse and disinfect your artistry brushes. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this makeup brush cleanser will get the job done while satisfying your senses. This product is also vegan, cruelty-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. $19, you guys. I will put this to use, so I'm gonna keep that. And then the last thing that I got, which I'm gonna tell you right now, you guys, I'm not a fan. I tried it and I'm just I might give these away. You know what? I'm gonna give these away because they're just not my thing. But these are Rockin's Cosmetic Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. I will, yeah, it's a hot mess. I just didn't like it. They didn't stick on my eyelids. They are super, like, it's just creamy, not in a good way creamy where it's just a hot mess and it got all over. It transferred. This was not my thing. It says glitter. You can see the glitter on it, but the glitter does not transfer onto the eye. I was just, yeah, I was not satisfied with these. But these went for $40, and I don't think that that's worth it either. But get in a hot mess with Rockin' Maxi Glitter Gel Pen Threesome. Choose from one of these 3 intense shades: green, midnight blue, or beatnik black. Blend all around the eye to create drama and sparkly dance floor magic. Maybe by them saying that, I will, because I didn't read the card when I tried these out. I literally just tried one of them out as a liner and it was not good. Maybe I could come up with like a smoky eye, maybe get it all over my eye and put some glitter on it. Maybe it'll stick better with real glitter. I'll give it another try. I was not impressed, you guys. This was not my thing. The packaging is cute. I'll take them out and show you guys. I do remember getting something by this brand in BoxyCharm before, and I wasn't a fan either. This is what the packaging looks like. I don't know. I'm just not a fan. Which one was it? Okay, these are still sealed. So it was the black one that I used. And I wasn't a fan. But you know what? I'll try them again, see if I can make them work. If not, I will definitely be giving these away because I'm already just not impressed, you guys. And the stars on it is super cute. I like the packaging. That's about it. So again, you guys, my total value is $170 for November. As soon as I get BoxyCharm for December, I will film it. Even if I look like shit, you guys, we are gonna do this and I'm gonna put it out for you guys. That's my BoxyCharm for November. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me comments down below. What did you guys get for November? Are you still with BoxyCharm? Are you thinking about getting back with them if you've canceled your subscription? I do know one of my best subscribers did drop her subscription and she had been thinking about going back. Let me see. Leave me comments down below, you guys. I love you guys. I will see you in a couple of days. Please be kind to one another and yourself and stay healthy and stay safe out there. I love you. Bye.